Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is October 28th, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. We're going to look at the S&P. We're going to look at, might as well look at Amazon and Apple since they both reported. Maybe we'll even take a little peek at Tesla. A lot going on, so let's get right into it. We are looking at a 1 hour bar of the S&P 500. There is the orthodox top on September 2nd. A lot of different counts in here, but what we have here is follow the red. We have an ABC for wave A with a circle, and we have an ABC up there for a B with a circle with an expanded flat. Before we get into these other things, let me do an expanded flat extension, because believe it or not, the expanded flat could actually, I got to start it from the other side. Let me redo this. Bear with me. Remove. There we go. The expanded flat, we'll get into that here. Let me try that again. Get an extension. Here we go. We're going to go from here to there and then back down to where we started. And I have the purples in the expanded flat. The most common Fibonacci relationships for the B wave in the expanded flat are 1.272 and 1.414. Does it have to go that high? No. Okay, could this be the high back here on the 26th? Yes. Okay, we'll get into this smaller wave count, smaller degree wave count in a little bit, but you can see, as usual, I have the bullish count in purple, and that would be the end of the decline there. It'd be an ABC done. Okay. Then we have a 1 up with a parentheses, a 2 down, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, this is where it gets complicated for the bullish count, and we'll get into this. That 5 is way too short. Let me remove this, and let's look at this in a little more detail. Okay, that is 1, 2. So let's get the third wave extension here. Okay, and from 2 we get 1 there, and 2 down there. And you can see, let me remove these for now. Well, I'll leave them up there. What the heck? You can see 3 was a perfect 1.618 multiple right there, the purple 3. Okay, and then 4 was nothing. Hardly a decline at all. We won't even get into that. And then there's our fifth wave equals 1 at 46.65. I think we've had that up there for a little while, but this is hard to, we can get into this real quick here. Let me do the pick here first for the review on that, if we have that. Maybe we do. That's an old one. There's a 56. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, so this is a couple days old. Obviously, this went higher. This B wave expanded flat. But this is what we're looking for. An ABC for wave A with a circle, and an ABC for a wave B with a circle, and then a 5-3-5. Okay, 5 down, 3 up, 5 down for that C wave for this triple 3 combination. Pretty complicated, fairly rare, but they do happen. This is the way this thing looks like it's shaping up. If you look at this form, look at the purple and look at the black, they totally match up. So we're looking for a 5-3-5. That's what we're looking down from, not that high, but the 1026 high up here. Okay, now we'll look at this a little closer. I think I got a 10-minute up here. Yeah, I think that's the 1026 high right there. And you see we've got an ABC for A and an ABC for B. I can put that up there for you guys. And we had a nice little, this is A, B, C. I'll change that degree of trend because it should be 1 degree smaller. My apologies. And then we also have for the B wave, and let's get it up there, an A, B, C. And that was virtually a double top. The all-time high on the 26th is 45.98. And this, and some change, and this is 45.97.55. Okay, so we do expect this to sell off, make a double top, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Okay, I think I have that in a review on a pick here, if you will. There it is there. There's that same 5-minute, and there is the ABC for A with a parentheses. You can see the low there, an A, B, C for the B up right there, the double top, 1 point away, 97 here, 98 there. C gains equality with A, as you may have guessed, within 1 point because this high was within 1 point of that high. 45.51, that's the most common relationship. If it goes out to a 1.618, we're looking at a 45.22. Okay, so that should do it for that. I want to show you guys our newsletter here. I believe I kept that. Yep, there's a double top in play. There's that same chart. And there's our status, wave status. I wanted to show you guys this here, okay? The time spiral. These 55, this is the one from the Lotus, had virtually no slippage. But I wanted to point out the 55 days from the all-time high are where you would find a low, but if the market makes a higher high before the 55 days, then the original 55 days is out because it's no longer 55 days from the all-time high because there's a new all-time high, if that makes sense. But this turn date here that's been catching virtually every turn within a minute, and a 99 with 5.9 percentage point success rate had a 10.23, which was a Saturday, so we were looking for 10.22 or 10.25. Looks like we got it on 10.26. It's a +3 calendar days and a +2 trading days at 10.26. So that's what we're looking at. And you can see we're looking for a 335 down, up, down correction. And there's our targets there. We're looking at possible 11:30 turn date, okay, which is a Saturday. So we expect this this next wave down to either be a 1 or 2 trading day event, either Friday the 29th or Monday the 1st of November. You can see right there, that's what we're looking at, okay? So, and that's where that 55 days, 1027, was no longer 55 days from the all-time high on 9/2 because there was another new all-time high at 10/26, October 26. Hope that makes sense. All this stuff that is out there, our subscribers are getting this stuff in advance, and we've had so many direct hits on our targets. You can see here is our subscription services. The monthly is daily reports, and again, we did 2 more today. We did a pre-market open and a post-market close, and you can see our awards over the years and our disclaimer there for Woodson Wave Report. And I wanted to thank you guys again for subscribing to the channel, hitting the reminder bell so you get alerts, and don't forget the like button. And it decided to be on strike again. Never fear, we have a picture of it here. There we go. That's what it looks like, only much smaller. Okay, so let's get into, I think that might cover it with the S&P. Let's see here. Let me get rid of that, get rid of that. Yep, there's that 5-minute count. And you can see I can show you guys here the extensions, and this should be within a point if depending on my accuracy here, but that should be 45.51. And then we still have those expanded flat targets. There's 45.22. That's what we're looking for. This could go higher in yet another expanded flat. Remember back in July we had an expanded flat within an expanded flat and possibly a third expanded flat. It was just a fractal within a fractal of a fractal, if you guys can follow me on that. So this still could go higher and make itself an expanded flat within the larger expanded flat. But unless it does, this is what we're looking for, a C wave down, excuse me, into these targets here. Let's look at Amazon. We're looking at an hourly chart, and we're looking at a high back in July here. You can see a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me mark that for you guys. Down. Okay. And this, I must have done this at some time because this was already here. I didn't make it. It just showed up when I pulled up the chart. Okay. So there is the first wave down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see the retracement up is a perfect 618. Actually, this could be an A, B, C. There's a couple different ways we can count this, or this could be the entire decline over here. And that could, let me mark that for you guys so I don't lose you here, okay? So this is 1 down. I'll change that degree. 2 up could be here. Let me throw 3, 4, and 5 off to the side. Let me make that a larger degree of trend. There we go. We'll make it sub-micro. Okay, that's one down. This could be, let me mark this for you guys, a couple different ways to count this. The second wave up could be complete, or it could be there. An A up, a B down, and a C up to the 500 retracement level. A went to 618, C went to the 500. So that could be the decline. But either way, this should go down to below this low here, which was on August 20th at 31.76. Okay, so for argument's sake, we'll put 2 over here. Okay, and let's get a Fibonacci extension on that. You can see I got the after hours trading over there. You can see what happened there. Let's get, we don't have the Fibonacci extension there, Dale. We have it over here. There we go. So there is one down. Let's put 2 over here. It could go here. Let's do it here for now. Okay, this would be a lower wave 2 than back over here. But wave 3 would gain equality at 28.80 and a 1.618 at 25.09. For argument's sake, let's put the 2 high back over here right on the 618, and we get wave 3 at 29.44, and the 1618 is 25.72. Okay, so that's what we're looking at with Amazon. Like a lot of stocks, even though the indexes are making new all-time highs, the NASDAQ made one today, and the S&P and the Dow, a lot of these stocks topped a long time ago. But anyway, I'm getting off on a tangent here. Let's go into Apple. All right, we've got after hours on Apple, and Apple, like the NASDAQ until today, topped on September 7th, and we have 5 waves down here. Let's just get straight to the extension. Okay, here we go. There is 1 down right there. There is 2 up. That should be pretty darn close. And our target for wave 3 is equality at 134.17 and a 1618 at 122.46. That's what we're looking at. And those are the, never mind the purple ones. I made them a different color for a reason. We're not looking at an expanded flat on Apple or Amazon. Okay, should break below this low here, which looks at right around 138. Okay, I might have it exactly here. I think it's right there. 138.27 on October 4th. That date should ring a bell from the S&P, right? Okay, I want to take a quick peek at Tesla. Okay, the bull count 1 out. As you can see, this was 5 down, 3 up. This is 5 down, although I don't have it labeled. That's an ABC flat correction. And what was hesitant about making the bull count was this right here. Let me throw you guys this wave count up here. We'll get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on that. We'll make it a smaller degree. And there's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, there's a 4 triangle, and there's a 5 right under the 1. Let me line that up a little bit better and put the 1 there. Okay, so here, as you can see, I've got the dotted line on the wave 1 high, and if you follow it across, 4 broke across it. The only time 4 can go lower than the high of 1 is in a leading diagonal triangle, which signifies a change in trend, which is what it was. In an ending diagonal triangle, you see it tops, and a beginning diagonal triangle, you see it bottom. So this was the first wave up. 4 did overlap 1, and you can see here, just like it was on the way up to 900, the third wave is not equal to the first wave, and it's not a 1.618 multiple. It's going for the 2.618 multiple, which is 1127. From there, we can expect a 4th wave pullback, and then a 5 to new all-time highs. I'm curious. I don't think this could be an expanded flat, but I'm going to throw that up there just to see what the numbers are. Let me get the extension here. Let's go A, B. Wow, maybe it does. Okay, that's right around there. Well, the expanded flat 1414 equals 1064, and that high so far is 1094. So it overshot it a little bit. I guess we could say it could be an expanded flat. We'll see how it plays out. I hadn't even looked at that until just right now, but that's where that is. Okay. Want to show you guys one more time the also this is the trend line on a daily chart of the S&P from the pandemic low back in March of 20, and it basically went straight up. But you can see we had support here, support here, support here, support here, and with that break, I believe it was the October 4th gap down, we got on the other side of that support line, which had worked for what, a year and a half, and then we got resistance, resistance. I think today it barely crossed back over it, but support becomes resistance, and resistance becomes support. So we'll see how long this resistance line now lasts as this keeps bumping its head up against it and then pops way down off of that to start a new trend to the downside. Okay, we have that. I think I had another one I wanted to show you. This is the main one. I want to show you guys what we're looking for. A with a circle right here, 10.4 low. There's that 10.4, and that's where it gapped below the line, the resistance and the support line. B wave up, that's higher. This is an old chart, it's from the 24th. But for the C, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A, B up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C. Okay, that should do it for today. And until next time, take care, everyone.